That is the heartbeat. That is the heartbeat.
Hello, welcome back to the Chronicles of an African Diaspora Nurse, The Return. Thank you, as always, for tuning in and watching and for subscribing. I really appreciate that. Today, I'm coming to you with a campaign dubbed Donate a Fetal Doppler. Every year, over 2 million babies die before they are born globally. Over 98% of stillbirths occur in low-income countries, and Sub-Saharan Africa accounts for the highest rates of stillbirth. It currently stands at 28.3 per thousand births as compared to 3.1 per thousand births in the advanced countries, and this calls for action. Pregnant women in the most remote rural areas are at higher risk of the worst outcomes when it comes to pregnancy and delivery. We know that there are multiple factors that can contribute to stillbirth, some of which are lack of access to good quality antenatal and delivery care. We are campaigning to secure 50 fetal Dopplers to distribute to midwives who are based in the rural, remote maternity clinics. Just to stress that these fetal Dopplers are not going to be replacing the fetoscope, which midwives have used for so many years, but rather it will go to enhance the care given to pregnant women, as the best practice suggests that the fetoscope and fetal Dopplers should be used hand in hand. Let's watch this clip.
We are in St. Thomas General and Maternity Clinic, and this room is our palpation room for the pregnant women. Now we have a client lying down here. She has come for the antenatal clinic. So we are doing the abdominal examination. I've already checked the cervicofundal height. Now I'm about to listen to the fetal heart rate. At first, this is what we were using, and it's called the fetoscope. Now we have the new one called the Doppler. We got it from one of our donors. This was giving us a lot of difficulties. When you are using it, you find it difficult to differentiate between the maternal pulse and the fetal heart rate, and starting to giving you the midwife a lot of problems. But with the use of this modern one, it makes the work easier, and you are able to differentiate between the maternal pulse and the fetal heart rate. So I'm going to use the new one on our clients. This is the gel. I've already located the back of the fetus, and the presentation is bridge. Since it's bridge, the back is at the top. So that is where I'm going to apply the gel. Good. Then I put on the Doppler, place it there to listen to the fetal heart rate. Yes, that is the heartbeat. That is the heartbeat. Mame obana koma no na ebo no se wote. Aha, nti ne ho ye bibia so ye kama. Why? So that is the fetal heart rate. And it is so simple and easier to use. Dear donor, we thank you so much for the donation.
Will you be part of this campaign, and will you donate a Doppler? Kindly follow our Just Giving link below and be part of the change. And let's make a difference in the lives of pregnant women. Thank you.